What's up, Soccer Rookie? What's up, Danny? What do you guys want? 2018, 2019, OPC Platinum, Upper Deck cards, or we got the 250 card base set. Bogard sent a request to be in your video. What's up? Platinum? Yeah, I'm going platinum too. Alright, boys. Dish Nose Hockey. Let me grab something to open this with. Alright, never mind. We're good. What's up, Fleisch? Alright, boys. OPC Platinum. 2018-2019. Collect an array of dazzling parallels. Alright, I'm pretty excited. 4 packs and 1 bonus pack. Vladdy, what just happened with the game? Alright, boys. Which one we opening first? Bonus pack? Tell me which one's the bonus pack. I don't know. We down 1-0. Marlins Braves just started. What's the score? Tell me which one to open first. Top right. All right, top right it is, boys. Baby. All right, Casey Middlestat. All right, fire cards, huh? I like these. You guys like these? This is what your city loses. 2 hockey teams. Take it. What's up, Giants cards? Only 1 hockey team. Oh, boys. We got a Flurry card. We gotta grab a sleeve for him, huh? That's fire. Yo. I don't like to mess with it too much because my hands are all slippery and sweaty. So I get the cards all gross. Middlestat is unproven. Mark. John Carlson. Whew. Caps. You want to see a Flurry card again? Is Flurry a better goalie on the Golden Knights? Or Pitt? From Quebec. All right. John Carlson. Pretty fire. From Massachusetts. Miko Cavo. Not about Carlson. Oh, we got a marquee rookie. Casey Middlestat. Oh, that's fire, boys. Marlins trash. What's happening right now? Heck yeah. You guys check out this marquee rookie. Casey Middlestat. How fire. Alright, what's your favorite card out of this first pack? We got Miko. We got John Carlson. We got Marc-Andre Fleury. We got Casey Middlestat. Marquee rookie card. 1-0 Braves. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Mark? Yeah, obviously. I agree. All right. Carlson. Spiegel Carlson. Flash. Who do you have? Dylan Carlson? Alright, boys. Where we going next? Not Flower. Where we going next? Freddie struck out. Filth. Left? Bottom left or top left? Alright, boys. Bottom left, Danny says. Alright, we got a Kyle Palmieri. Devils. Ditch, you are a bot. Pretty fire. Pretty fire. We got an Alex Pietrangelo. I don't even know how to say that. How do you say that? What's up? Hey, Hawa. King City, Ontario. Alex Kerfoot. Ooh, yeah, I was going to the next chart. I was just reading the comments. How fire is that, boys? Vancouver, British Columbia. Born August 11th, 1994. 5'10", 175. Avalanche. Wow. 24 assists in 2017, 2018. Fire. Fire, fire, fire. Sleeve the Blues card. I'm sleeving all these cards. You know I am. Yo. He just won a cup. The real question is, yeah, these cards are fire. Very fire. Yeah, I know. I'm still more of a Fleury fan, I'll be honest. Yeah, he is. Boys, where are we going next? All right. What was your favorite card out of that fire card? All right, let's run through them again. We got Kyle Palmieri. We got Alex Kerfoot. Let's see, who was in the first one? I don't even remember which ones were in that one. All right. Where are we going next? How sweet does that card look? Top left. Alex. My comments disappeared, so I had some trouble seeing it. All right, boys. Top left it is. Let me put this card back up so you guys can get the Shifley card. All right, whatever. Bottom right, we are open this one. Oh, boys. We got a Tavo for the Hurricane. Ooh, Shmuel. You a Hurricanes fan? Or no? You a Sharks fan? From Helsinki, Finland. 5 seasons in the NHL. Fire. Oh, boys. Oh, boys. Oh, boys. Nah, you're not a Connor McDavid fan? Oh, Panthers. Florida Panthers fan. You got so many teams to choose from. It must be nice. Must be nice. Yeah. This is my team. They're gone. They're long gone. All right, boys. Where are we going next? We got 2 packs left. Yo, fire, fire, fire. All right, let's sleeve all these guys real quick. Comment where we're going. Left or right? We got 1 more pack. 2 more packs. Right? All right. Anthony Cirelli for the Lightning. We got a Tampa Bay Marquee Rookie Card. Again, another fire. Oh, boys. I don't even know what's next. From Ontario. 1 season in the NHL. 5 goals, 6 assists. Hey, that's nice. Oh, boys. Oh, boys. Oh, boys. We got a Drew Doughty Kings R24 card. How fire is this? OPJ Platinum. Boys, you know we're sleeving this. You know we're sleeving this. Gas? Yeah. Gas emojis in the chat, boys. Here, let's get these cards situated. We got a Connor McDavid. These are so fire, huh? We got a, all right, sorry, we're taking that. We're taking that down. Bogard, we're taking that down. How fire was best defender of the past 10 years? That's highly debatable. All right, on to the next. We got Brad Marchand for the Bruins. Left wing from Nova Scotia, Halifax again. Oh, we already went through those ones, huh? I'm like, why the hell did I know those? Oh, this is the same guys, huh? Markland's a beast. No wonder. All right, we got 1 more pack. You guys ready? Bro. What, bro? That Rangers card? I mean, I'm more of this Kings card. I mean, all these cards are fire. This Devils card's fire. Shmuel, you're the biggest Zalbenhad fan ever. Alright, I got you. I got you. Got you, Shmuel. Grabbing a sleeve. Alright, there you go. You got your Zalbenhad. Sleeve that up. Alright. We got the last pack of OPJ Platinum. What's up, John D-Wag? Last pack. Oh, boys. We got a Kopitar. First card Kopitar. I like this, huh? From Slovenia. Tear that bitch up. Just leaving that. Boys, this has been more power. Sorry about that. Alright, boys. I'm kind of... Oh my god, I didn't even see this. I thought this was in the earlier pack. Boys, I can't even see my chat right now. Connor McDavid. Oilers, R60 card. Got a rainbow. That's fire? Yeah, it is, huh? Another rainbow. Probably one of the best packs I've opened this year. I'll be honest. $5, yep. William Karlsson, right after, huh? From Marsta, Sweden. Born January 8th, 1993. 188. 4 seasons in the NHL. What a beast. Who agrees Karlsson's a beast? All right, we got the last card. John Klingberg for the Dallas Stars. Fire card, huh? From Gothenburg, Sweden. Spent 4 seasons in the NHL. What a great pack, guys. All right, boys.